Hi, this is Mukaddas. So today I am going to record a lecture on a topic of material development. So I have already uploaded one video on it that was about introduction of material development, in which I taught what is material. So basically the conclusion of that video was that material means anything which facilitate learning. It can be a video, an audio, an article, book, newspaper, or etc. Okay, now we have nature of material. So basically the meaning of nature means what are the characteristics and what are the qualities in the material and what should be the qualities in the material. Okay, so here we have five nature or qualities in material, which was given by Tomlinson. So here first nature is informative. First nature is informative. A material should be informative. Informative means it should add some new information or ideas for students. Let's say definition: material which add or give new information or knowledge in existing knowledge. That means teacher should bring a material in which gives new knowledge to the student. For example, for example, a background of writer. See, if I taught a concept to my student, but my student have already known about that concept, so what should I do? I should tell them the background of the writer or author, or maybe the one who introduced that topic, because that will be new information for them. So a material should be informative. It add new information in the schema of students. And second nature is instructional. A good material is the one which gives instruction to the student. That means a material should be instructional. It gives guidelines to the student, so student can independently, autonomously solve that material. If my material, if I bring a material in the classroom and I have given all the instruction, like firstly you have to read it, then you have to highlight it, and then you have to do this, so that means my material is instructional. Through instructional material, through the nature of instruction material, it will give advantage to students, because it will make students autonomous and independent for their learning, and they can control their learning as well. And let's see the examples of instructional material. Like we can use mapping, we can give instructions, and etc. Then we have third nature. Third nature is experiential. Experience means the thing which we can experience by ourselves. Okay, so a material should be experiential. That means our teacher should bring a material which can be felt by the student. For example, if I am bringing a, a topic or a essay on the tour of Paris in Pakistani context. See, now my student have never gone to USA or UK or Paris. Okay, but I can bring a document in which the experience of Paris has covered and has written by our tourists which have gone to the Paris. So what will we do here? Here what will be happen, that my student will be experience the experience of Paris through the experience of other person, or the one who has just written that article. Okay, so we should bring a material which can be experienced by the student. Okay, like lifestyle of a driver in America. See, if I will bring a material, or if my material will explain the lifestyle of the driver in America, so when the driver of Pakistan, or when the student of Pakistan will read the experience of the driver of America, so they can also feel that how is the life of a driver, that how is the experience of a driver in America. Okay, so then we have for nature. For nature is exploratory. Explore means when we explore, when we just explore something. Okay, so explore means a material should be exploratory. That means which just makes student curious to know about the things. Okay, like for example, we have novels, we have part 1 story, part 2 story, part 3 story. So we have many parts in the books, like book 1, book 2, book 3. Why? Have you ever noticed why we haven't completed a story in one book? Why? Because they want to make us curious so we can explore, and in curiosity we can read the other part and other chapters of the same writer. Okay, so our material should be exploratory. That means that makes students curious to explore things, to reread about the topic. Okay, like novels, riddle, and etc. And then we have fifth nature. Fifth nature is eliciting. Eliciting means eliciting means how much engaging our material is. Okay, we have sentences in English language. We have sentences in English language. When we add affirmative sentence in the slide or in the PPT or in our material, and we have written below that you have to make 3 other types of sentences. So what will the student do? They will be engaging with the material and they will practice. So eliciting means engaging material. See the definition. How well a given material, like text, image, video. Material, I told you material can be anything, video, text, image, and any question, whatever. Anything can be material. So how will given material stimulate or elicit a response, reaction, or engagement from someone. That means how that material stimulate student for engage. Okay, like task in material, we can add many activities in the material for practice that will also engage learners with the material. So that's all from my side for today's lecture. So if you have any question or inquiry, you can ask me in the comment box. I will try to reply you and try to clear your confusion. Thank you so much.